himself out.
That's their plan, I think.
Yay!
See if it works the other way.
If it works.
Just did a 360 with it. Yay!
I hope somebody took a picture of this.
Here's the video.
Oh, good. Do it again. Is mommy doing it? Is mommy doing it? See, mommy, blow bubbles.
Take a deep breath. And push.
This color doesn't look right.
This is work.
Okay, all right, we're gonna take a break.
He's gonna make himself dizzy.
We're gonna take a break. We're gonna take a break.
Okay.
Drink some water. He's gonna get lightheaded.
I know. Okay. No. No.
She took away your birthday present,
That's
Jakey?
okay. Just take a
It's
break.
okay.
Jake, eat the cake that's right there.
Nice. Nice.
I didn't take it away from
You're
her.
the one who's like, he's like practically ready to pass out.
But it was fun for the time it lasted.
All right, I'll give it
Do you
back
wanna-
to you in a minute. Just, what, do you want some ice cream?
No, Do you want some apple pie? No,
Do you want to get down?
no, how are you back?
In a minute, you have to rest. Just rest for a few minutes and then you can have it.
You're getting a
You
little
want to see your
dizzy.
candle?
Oh,
Oh,
What's that?
it fell down. It fell down.
Still filming? Filming?
Yeah.
Or turn it this way, and then you can put it
great.
Recreating was great.